Hey guys, we have here the key fob of a Dodge vehicle. In this case here, this is the Dodge Hornet. And this video, we want to explain to you how to replace the battery inside of one of these key fobs. So the process is really simple. First, we are going to take a look at the side here. We find this little lever here, this little switch. We're going to push that over, and then we can pull out the regular key. See, this is going to pull this all the way out. And you see already, then when you take a look on the side, we see the slot where the key came out of, but then right next to it, there's another small slot. And that's where we're going to first push the key inside of, and then we're going to twist it, give it a little twist. And that's going to pop open the plastic case. And then we can carefully take both parts here apart, and then underneath here inside we're going to find this little rubber cover. So that's a dust and water protection for the battery, and we can pull on this little tab that you see here. It's going to use both fingers, two fingers, and I'm going to pull off this cover here, and underneath we find the battery. And then in order to remove the battery, we need like a small prying tool. I'm just going to use here the end of a nail file, and here right in between those little tabs here on the opposite side of where you see the plus and the up, that's where we're going to pry into and then pop the battery out, and it's going to just fly away. Now the battery that we need, the replacement battery, is of type CR2032. That's just a very standard 3-volt coin cell battery. In this case, this is here the Panasonic battery, and when we want to install the new battery, we're just going to slide it in first where it says here on the right side where it says up, and we're going to make sure that we have the battery in the right orientation. So you want to make sure that you see the plus symbol here. We have to see this, and then we're just going to slide the battery in there, and we're going to push it down until it clicks into position and doesn't fall out anymore. And then we can already reassemble everything. First, we're going to put here we're going to put that rubber cover back in place. We really want to make sure that this is really sealing off nicely again. So just in case the key fob gets wet, that it's not going to get damaged. And then we're going to just align the two plastic covers here. We're going to align those really nicely, and then we're going to press them until they click into position. And we're going to check all around that everything is really firmly sealed. And once that is done, we can already put that key back in place. So we're going to put the key here back into the slot, and we're making sure that we are pressing it all the way down until it clicks in position and does not come out anymore. Okay, so that was already it for this video. Hope you found the information helpful, and if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.